Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, for this project I'm going to be taking us on a very simple project. Very simple, and it's simple to make. So what we need: my cutter, my bent nose plier, a round nose plier. I have my Bugle bead, size 8 or 10 should be okay for this tutorial. I have my size 8 crystal bead, the size 6 crystal bead, then my wire made JLene hook. I was able to get this on the market, although I stopped using this scientific a long time ago. So this is what I was able to get. For this project I'll be using 0.90 mm wire. Okay, 0.50 mm fishing line. I have my nail file. Any nail file will be okay. So I use this one to smoothen the edge of my wire. It's optional, but I prefer doing that to avoid injuring myself when putting on my earring. So to get started, I'm going to cut my fishing line. You don't need a very long, just a very short one. So this is what I have, just a little fishing line, you don't need much. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick up my Bugle bead. Going to pass my fishing line into it, then pick up my size 8 crystal bead. So this is what I have. This. So the next thing I'm going to do is pick up another Bugle bead. Then I'm going to cross both fishing lines on it. This is one, the right side. I'm going to pass this into it. Then pull down. This is what you should have. So the next one, what I'm going to do next is pick up a crystal bead on my right fishing line. This is the left one is plain on my right. So I'm going to cross this with both fishing lines. So this is very simple to make, just as simple as it looks. Now this is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do is, on my right fishing line, I'll put a crystal bead, just like I've been doing. But this time around I'm not going to cross with any extra bead, any extra Bugle bead. So instead I'm going to flip it around, then pass both fishing line into the first one. This is what it was before. So I'm going to turn it, then cross it. Now my fishing line is coming out from the down Bugle bead. So I'm going to cross both fishing line with this one. Well, because of the tiny holes in the center, what I usually do is I just pass the left one into the first one. Don't bother about crossing it. Okay, we have this now. A fishing line, pass it into this one. You have this now coming out from this up one, while your last one is this coming out from the bottom one by your right. Both of them are coming out on the right side. So what I'm going to do now is turn it around, then tie it. You have this. I'm just going to tie a knot. Okay. So like this. Let me do it again. Just like this. I'm just going to tie a knot, closing them together. You have to be careful while doing this. If not, the bead will be likely to cut your thread or your fishing line. So be careful while you're tying. Okay. So what you're going to do next is pass your fishing line into the Bugle bead, or like this one. What I did, I was able to pass it around the crystal bead. I was able to pass my fishing line around the crystal bead. Then I went into this. You can just pass it around to make it stronger. Like this one, I didn't bother passing it around. What I did was just to go through the Bugle bead and move it away from where I tied the knot. So I'm going to just go around because I did that with this one. So just it's not much that you go around like that, but just to move it away from where you tied it. So now I'm going to pass into this Bugle bead. You can see quite stubborn because of the tiny holes on it. Okay. So, but while you're passing it, if it's up here and you're having difficulty pushing it down, you can just cut it up here, because this bead here is going to cover it. So now I'm going to, let me use, I have to use my bag cutter. I think this is a bit sharper than that one. So now I'm done. Okay, this is what we have now. So the next step we are going to take is creating this I use that a head, so I can pass it in between, pass it at the center, coming out here. So what I'm going to do is bring out my wire, so I'm just going to bend it somewhere. So I'm not so concerned about wasting some leftover wire, so I'm just going to bend it here like this. I think this is called angle 90 or something. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is just put my, then start turning it around. Okay, and just press it down. It's a bit bigger than this one. You can try to make yours smaller. So I just keep turning it. So try to tuck this one under. Just going to cut it here. So, and I'll try to tuck this place under. Okay, now I have this. You can see I tucked under. So I'm going to pass my wire into this place and try to bring it out. I don't know if you can see me, through the center. Then I'll let it come out from here. That's the center. Oh, I've covered it. The center of the bottom, the center, and the top. So I'm going to insert this, my size 6 crystal bead on top. Let's see. Okay. So my wire is a bit more. Let's see if I can push it up. I'm just going to manage the wire. I think I just make okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is connect this to this. But first of all, I'm going to show us how to make this wire. It's very simple. I already have one here, but let me explain this. Just make so. Let me repeat it again. Okay. So I'm just going to place it here, just like this. I'll place it here and move it around. So I'm just going to cut. This is the first one. I'll create another eye. And just a bit. So now I'm going to place this one back. It's usually better if you have extra. So I'm going to work with the bent nose plier. That's why I'm leaving it aside. So I'm going to place it here. Make sure about the same. You can see. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you can see. So I'm going to join them together, then try to repeat the same thing I did before. You can see about the same size. So I'm just going to cut. So you can see they are both the same length. So okay, you can just use your file and make it uniform, just a little bend. You place your bent nose plier like this and bend it up a little bit. So this is it. You can decide to file it together or bring it out. File it separately. Okay. Repeat the same thing here. While doing that, you can use your finger to feel it. So this is done. The next thing I'm going to do is this way. So I'm just going to place my bent nose plier like this. So I'm going to push it towards me up. So the next thing I'm going to do, you can see, just place this in between. Then close it up. Now we have similar earring. You can always push it open. Alright, now we've gotten to the end of the project. This is what I have now. This one here is quite old. I think I made it 2016 or 17. I think 16, I've forgotten. So I decided to repeat it again today, showing us how I made it. There's a very simple tutorial, very simple project. It's not something you cannot do. You just practice and you get it. But if you have any question, you can always drop them in the comment section and I will reply. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and also don't forget to stay safe this period. Until I come your way next time, have a wonderful day.